How to save one-time photo in Telegram. So let's get started. In Telegram, one-time photos, self-destructing photos, or disappearing media sent in private chats are secret chats and cannot be saved directly. But here are some workarounds. First of all, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Telegram account. Then all you have to do is navigate to the chat where you have been sent a one-time photo. Now, once inside the chat, the first option is to take a screenshot. Try taking a screenshot quickly before the photo disappears. If the sender has set restrictions, Telegram will block screenshots or notify them that you took one. And the other one is screen recording. On iPhone, use screen recording from the control center, and on Android, use a built-in screen recorder if available or a third-party app. Play the media while recording and save it from the recording later. Now, the best option is to use another device to capture. Open the photo on your phone and use another phone or camera to take a picture of the screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.